Hey there guys, welcome back to High 49RC, Erica here. Today we're going to be working on my slash again. If you guys don't mind the space between these slash upgrade and repair videos, just because last weekend, as you know if you follow my channel regularly, I was doing tons of work on my backyard crawler course. If you haven't seen that, go and check that out. Got 3 videos out, got lots of stuff done. But today what we're going to be working on is just the rear bumper. I know we've just kind of been doing small things, and I think that's okay just to do like a shorter video here and there, you know, just to kind of show you guys what I'm doing. But when I ordered all the parts for this thing for the beginning of the summer, the only bumper that that A-Main Hobbies had in stock was this RPM rear bumper. So I thought, well, alright, whatever, I'll try it. There were some mixed reviews, but heck, why not? Figured I'd try that. But then I also got the mud flaps for it. So yeah, I thought that was I don't know. I thought I'd try them. Alright, so first, my slash has the sway bars already installed, and it's the slash Platinum Edition, I believe. And that one already comes with front and rear sway bars installed. So there's just 2 screws here on the bumper. Oh, speaking of which, I hope that the new bumper has spots for that. That's a good point, actually. We'll have to see. So that just pops out. Yeah, there we go. Just pops out like that. And then there's just a couple, like 3 other screws, 2 on the top here, and 1 on the bottom. There we go, all the screws are out, and it should just pop off. Does it? Oh wait. There's 2 screws underneath. I'm an idiot. There we go. Now it just pops off. Forgot about that screw on the bottom there. Now, I think I'm going to assemble the new bumper, and then put it on. I think I can do it that way. Let's take a look. Alright, let's go ahead and open this up and put it together. It shouldn't be hard from what I've seen. There's like the main piece. It's flexible, which is nice, so it's not going to break instantly. And then there's 2 side braces that are labeled left and right. And, oh good. There are holes there. These bigger ones are for the sway bar, or the anti-sway bar rather, to mount on, so that's good. That's a good thing. And that's the bottom piece. Instructions. Psh, we don't need instructions. Who needs instructions? Come on, guys. We're better than that. And screws. And, ooh, a big RPM sticker. Usually the RPM parts that I get, they usually come with really small stickers, which, this is nice. I like that. Let's just break these off of their trees. Like that. These ones, too. I'm hoping this looks cool, too. It should do. That'd be... I mean, I don't think that it wouldn't look cool, but, you know. So now, grab out our screws here, and it looks pretty straightforward to me. Let's see, well, the right side is the driver's side of the vehicle, so this is the rear bumper. Then, the right side, let's see, if I'm looking at the back, the right side is gonna go here. Alright, I guess we're gonna look at the instructions. Fine. Alright, there you go. There's a quick drawing of it. There we go. The other thing that I noticed is that this part of the bumper is like a gloss finish, or it's like a shiny finish, whereas the other parts are like their standard, like it's the standard RPM kind of, not rough, but like not glossy finish, I should say. Now, let's see. This one is gonna go facing this way there's a little notch in it, as you can see there. Sorry if any of this is out of focus, but there's a little notch there, and that's where the sway bar sits. So that goes on the top hole, and then this piece will go on the bottom hole like so. So that'll just get screwed in like that. And there you go. There's the completed or completely assembled rear bumper for the Slash. Next, I think I'm gonna mount this onto the truck first, and then and then I will put the mud flaps on. Alright, let's just go ahead and put this back on. Oh, and I'm gonna need, where did I go with that? I'm gonna need the screws out of this guy, actually. Sorry, I just shoved that in your face. I'm gonna need the screws out of here, actually, for the, what's it called? The sway bars. The sway bar. So now this. Okay. Ah, interesting. So, looks like the screw that normally goes right there, you can't see that. Normally there's a screw that goes right there, you can kind of see the hole. It looks to me like well, obviously there isn't a hole there, so I guess we just ignore that little screw and just go ahead and just use the 2 screws on the bottom rather than that one too. Interesting. Oh, and on this guy, there's no holes right there for the pins to go in. That's, alright. But the holes line up, so I mean, that's a good sign, right? As long as the holes line up, then we're good to go. Alright, there we go. Rear bumper installed. Seems alright. I mean, I think the stock one is probably a little bit, it's triangulated a little bit better, so it won't like rack as much as you can see there, but if this doesn't work out, then I'll just go back to the stock one. Right, let's take a look at the mud flaps here. I assume that it's a pretty simple sort of deal. It's probably just, looks like it's just 4 screws each. 2 for the flap, 2 to mount it on. Yeah, let's take a look. Okay. Oh, I see what's going on here. Now, alright. These are cool. These little strips here, looks like, are for clamping the rubber between, or the whatever this is. I don't know what you would call that. I guess it's rubber. So that's cool. Pull these off. That. Snap off this guy. Suppose I could clean those up a little bit, huh? Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Alright, so here's what we're doing. We've got like the sticky outy bit, and then the mud flap, and then there's like a clamp piece that goes over top. So the kit comes with 2 different lengths of screws. The shorter ones are for the mud flaps themselves. I'm gonna put them just through there like that. Put them through the mud flap this way, as you can see. Like on this one here, there's a little lip there. I'm putting the screws through on the lip side, and then they're getting screwed into the, like the, I don't know, I'm just going to call it the sticky outy bit. That's a technical term. There are our 2 mud flaps. Alright, super simple to install. We're going to use the longer screws now that came with the mud flap kit, and then it's going to go into these 2 holes there. Sweet. Very nice. I'm liking that. They don't sit perfectly in front of the, or behind the tires even, but I think it looks pretty cool. Yeah, I'm liking that. That looks sweet. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. I like it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know if you like this bumper, if you're going to get it for yourself. If you think the mud flaps are cool, or if they just kind of, I don't know, look a little bit weird. I think it'll look cool. And it also help the camera get from getting sprayed by so many rocks when I'm, you know, sliding around a corner and whatnot, but whatever. Also, tune in, let's see, yeah, tune in this weekend if you guys are planning on contributing an idea to my backyard crawler course. All the information on that will be in that video, so keep an eye out for that this weekend. That'll be coming soon. And that's it from me, guys. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah, follow me on Instagram, highway49_RC, and I'll see y'all next time. See you later, guys.